Hello viewers, let's start solving the learning assessment E1.3. In this scenario, it is asked that find the power that is absorbed or supplied by element in figure 1.3. The figure is given below. It is a current source which is basically a constant current source with the given rating. It have 12 volts and 3 ampere, as well as there are two elements with labeled 1 and 2. The labeled element 1 is 18 volt and 3 ampere is passing through it, and in second element the voltage appeared here are 6 volt and 3 ampere. The answers are given here, so let's start solving this scenario. Firstly, we need to find out the basic formulas which will be used in this scenario. Simply the power formula will be used, and the other thing which is not demanded in this scenario but I wanted to add it so that you can build another theorem concept, which is basically Tellegen's theorem. The Tellegen's theorem states that any circuit, if it is a closed circuit or closed loop circuit, if the power is supplied, then that power supplied will be equal to the power consumed. It means that the circuit which is containing different elements, their summation of consumption power will be same to the supplied power. It can be written as power supplied equal to summation of power consumed, or we can also add summation here, because sometimes we can have multiple sources in a single loop. So if we further solve this equation, then it becomes that power supply minus power consumed equal to 0. So this is stated by the Tellegen's theorem. This is the statement written for their theorem. And the other thing which I was told you earlier tutorial, that voltage on parallel connection remains same and current in series connection remains same. Here I have redrawn that circuit, and you may see that all the black fonts are labeled as it was given in the scenario. Firstly, we will calculate the power of 18 volt source, and this is pretty much simple because the voltage across this one number element are given, and the currents passing through it also given 3 ampere. So we will simply use the formula Vi and calculate the power, which is 54 watt. Now we need to justify, or we need to find either it is absorbing or delivering power, this element. So as the current is entering on positive side, and here I am using passive convention, so according to that theory it is consuming the power. So 54 watt is consuming by element 1. In element 2, simply the current is entering on negative side, so we will take this current on with a negative sign, and what it will be considered, it will be considered as power supplier because the current is entering on negative side. So we will calculate the power of element 2, which is basically power 6 multiplied by minus 3, and it is 18 watt, but it will be considered as supplying power because the current is entering on negative side. Similarly, I will calculate the power at 3 ampere constant current source. So the current, if we assume this current scenario, this is coming here, and it is entering on negative side of source, so it will also be supplying the power. And how much power it will be supplying? Simply 12 multiplied by 3, it will be equal to minus 36 watt. So now justify this scenario by the help of Tellegen's theorem. So power delivered should be equal to power consumed, and right now power delivered sources are minus 36 and minus 18. Those sources are deliver point. Minus sign is just indicating it is delivering. although we don't have any power in minus, all the powers are in positive, but the sign is just initiating that our source is delivering the power. So 36 plus 18 will be 54, and our consumption of power is 54. So these two powers are equal. If we place this 54 on other side of equal, then it will become 0, and this is actually the Tellegen theorem states. So thank you, see you in the next tutorial.